Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share a recipe of Thandai, which is a traditional recipe which we make during Holi. So this recipe will be without poppy seeds. So if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. To make a traditional Thandai we need almonds. So here I have taken 35 to 40 almonds and this is approximately less than a half cup of almonds. We need to soak it and keep it aside. Now to a different bowl, we'll add some more ingredients. So we'll take another bowl and we'll add 4 teaspoons of fennel seeds or sauf and 2 tablespoons of melon seeds. And now we are going to add some peppercorns, some cashews, pista, which will give a very nice fragrance to our Thandai. Now we are going to add 10 to 12 cardamoms or elaichi. So what we'll need to do is we have to soak all the ingredients in 1/4 cup of hot water. So adding hot water will speed up the process and it will take lesser time to get soaked. So 1/4 cup will be enough to soak all the ingredients. So we have soaked our almonds and our this ingredients. So just keep it aside and soak for about 4 hours. And after 4 hours we can see all the ingredients for making Thandai has soaked well and they have absorbed all the water nicely. So we have to transfer everything into a blender and we have to grind everything to a smooth paste. So we have put all the ingredients in a blender. Now I'm going to put our blanched and peeled almonds which we have soaked before. To this I'm going to add some saffron strands. If you have some dried or fresh rose petals you can add that and that will also enhance the flavor. Now I'm going to add some kevra water because I am from Lucknow, so I love adding kevra water in everything. So this is optional, if you have you can add. Now we have to grind everything to a smooth paste and this paste is Thandai paste and this you can keep it in refrigerator and store it for 3 to 4 days. Now we'll take a heavy bottom pan, we'll put the flame on low and I'm adding 2.5 cups of milk. So if you are a vegan then you can choose any plant-based milk. Now I'm going to add my Thandai paste. So this I have added only 2 to 2.5 tablespoons. So in total this recipe will make around 8 to 10 glasses. Now I'm going to add some rose essence because I have not added rose petals or dried petals. So I'm adding rose essence. This is also optional. If you have you can add it. It gives a nice flavor and this authentic, the taste will come very nice. So you can add it, otherwise you can skip it. Just give it a nice boil only once. So you just keep stirring it. And now it's time to add some sweetness to our Thandai. So now I'm going to add some sugar and this is just 3 tablespoons or you can adjust as per your taste. Just give it a nice mix and our Thandai will be ready. If you are in hurry or if you want an instant recipe then you can simply blend the Thandai paste in milk and then your instant Thandai will be ready. So once this is done, we have to just switch off our flame and we need to strain our Thandai mixture so that it will be more smoother. And now we'll keep the Thandai in refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours. And it's been 4 to 5 hours, so let's see how our Thandai is looking. So it's looking absolutely rich and the color is beautiful because of the pistachios and saffron which we have added. Now we'll take any serving glass or cooler because I like my Thandai in cooler because it gives me a nice traditional feel. So here it is. Now we're going to garnish it with some pistachios and some dried rose petal. This is absolutely optional, you can just enjoy it plain as well. Now here I have some small kawa cups, so now I'm garnishing it in the same manner. So Thandai is absolutely ready to be enjoyed and I hope you like this video and give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next recipe. Till then, bye, happy Holi.